Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own probiotics. First, gather your ingredients, which typically include fresh vegetables, a good quality salt, and filtered water. You'll also need clean jars and lids for the fermentation process. The goal is to create an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive, transforming your ingredients into probiotic-rich foods. This method is a fantastic way to boost your gut health naturally and affordably. Once your vegetables are prepared, pack them tightly into a clean glass jar. Next, create a brine solution using filtered water and non-iodized salt, typically a 2% salt concentration. Pour the brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged to prevent mold growth. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 7 days. You'll notice bubbles forming, indicating active fermentation. Many common foods can be easily fermented at home. Sauerkraut, made from shredded cabbage and salt, is a classic example and a great starting point. Kimchi, a vibrant Korean staple, involves fermenting nappa cabbage and other vegetables with a spicy seasoning paste. You can also ferment various vegetables like cucumbers to make probiotic-rich pickles. Experiment with different vegetables and spices to discover your favorite homemade probiotic treats. Once fermentation is complete, transfer your probiotic-rich foods to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process significantly, allowing you to store them for several months. Always use clean utensils when serving to prevent contamination and maintain the quality of your ferments. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with small portions. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.